Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve stumble guys being slow right now. To know how to fix or to solve stumble guys being slow or keeps slowing, you should just go to keeps being slow, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will search about stumble guys and you will enter here in this page if we will find it, and then you will click on first stop. After that you will click storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.